Fill in the blank. If the blank is stimulated by electrodes, an animal will continue to eat even if the animal has just finished a large meal. Lateral hypothalamus, ventromedial hypothalamus, amygdala, occipital lobe. Amygdala, my apologies. If this area of the brain is stimulated by electrodes, an animal will stop eating even if the animal has not eaten for a few days. A. Lateral hypothalamus, B. Ventromedial hypothalamus, C. Corpus callosum. What are some reasons other than hunger that people may eat? You may use the audio option to record your answer. True or false? People are only motivated by their sense of achievement for success. True, false. What does expectancy value mean when it comes to motivation? A. How much value do you place on your goals? B. How quickly can you achieve your goals? C. The conflict you face over success versus failure when it comes to your goals. This fulfills a person's needs based on food, water, and physical safety in Maslow's hierarchy of needs. A. Fundamental needs. B. Psychological needs. C. Self-actualization needs. This fulfills a person's need to belong, to give and receive love, and to acquire praise in Maslow's hierarchy of needs. A. Fundamental needs. B. Psychological needs. C. Self-actualization needs. In Abraham Maslow's hierarchy of needs, this refers to one's needs to reach their full potential. A. Fundamental needs. B. Psychological needs. C. Self-actualization needs.